Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Dashlane desktop app on Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Dashlane desktop app on your Mac, first, locate the Dashlane icon in your Applications folder. Open the Finder on your Mac. In the Finder menu, click on Applications in the sidebar. Scroll through the list of applications until you find Dashlane. Right-click on the Dashlane icon to reveal a context menu. From the menu, select Move to Trash. Alternatively, you can drag the Dashlane icon to the trash located in your dock. Next, open the trash by clicking its icon. In the trash, find the Dashlane app. Right-click on the Dashlane app once more and select Delete immediately. Confirm the action by clicking Empty Trash in the trash menu. Now, to ensure all related files are removed, open a new Finder window. In the Finder menu, click on Go at the top of the screen. Hold down the Option key to reveal the Library option and click on it. In the Library folder, look for folders named Application Support, Caches, and Preferences. Check inside each of these folders. If you find any Dashlane-related files, delete them as well. Once complete, close the Finder window. You have now successfully uninstalled the Dashlane desktop app from your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.